Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere.
Today, we are getting up close and personal with a vehicle that is taking the compact SUV world by storm. We are talking about the all-new, fresh for 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid.
That's right. And look, we all know the Corolla name. It's synonymous with reliability. But this isn't your dad's Corolla. This is the Corolla Cross Hybrid, and it comes in two fantastic flavors for 2026, the Sporty SE and the fully loaded XSE, both with all-wheel drive as standard.
Standard all-wheel drive is a huge plus, but the big story here is what's under the hood. Toyota has taken everything we love about the Corolla, the practicality, the dependability, and they've injected it with their legendary hybrid efficiency. The result is a vehicle that promises an incredible 50 miles per gallon combined.
50 miles per gallon. In a world of rising fuel costs, that number is going to turn a lot of heads. We're going to dive deep into every single detail today. We're talking about the exterior styling that makes it stand out, the tech-packed interior, and of course, that incredible powertrain. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a comprehensive tour of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Let's get started.
Let's start with the looks, because Toyota has really nailed the design language here. This is the XSE AWD model, and is wearing that stunning sonic silver metallic with a black roof. That two-tone roof, available with select colors like Cavalry Blue in this one, really gives it a premium sporty vibe.
Absolutely. It makes the SUV look more aggressive and planted. And speaking of aggressive, look at these headlights. On the SE, you get the standard bi-beam LED headlamps, but step up to the XSE, and you are getting the premium bi-LED headlamps. They frame the front end beautifully.
For sure. Moving down the side, you can see the character lines are sharp. Both models come with roof rails, which is great for the adventurers out there, and those integrated signal lamps and the power-adjustable heated exterior mirrors are a nice safety touch.
Safety and style. Now let's talk wheels, because this is a key differentiator. The SE rolls on handsome 17-inch alloy wheels, but the XSE, it steps it up with these fantastic 18-inch black alloy wheels. They really fill out the wheel wells and give it that custom, aggressive stance.
They do. And wrapping up the exterior, you have a rear spoiler, a rear window defroster with an intermittent wiper, and those sleek rear combination lamps. On the XSE, you get the premium LED version, which just adds that extra touch of class when you light up at night.
It's a great-looking compact crossover, no doubt about it. It's modern, it's rugged, and it's efficient.
All right, let's hop inside. And the first thing you notice is how driver-focused the cabin is. Now, depending on which model you choose, the vibe changes slightly.
Exactly. The SE comes with comfortable and durable fabric seats in black, but if you step into the XSE, you are welcomed by soft-tech synthetic leather upholstery. It feels premium, is easier to clean, and just elevates the whole experience.
And comfort is key here. Both models come with heated front seats, which is a blessing on those cold mornings. But the XSE adds a few cherries on top. An 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and, believe it or not, heated rear seats for your passengers in the back.
Heated rear seats in this class? That's impressive. And the driver gets a choice of digital displays. The SE features a crisp 7-inch digital gauge cluster, while the XSE upgrades to a massive 12.3-inch digital cluster. It's fully customizable and looks fantastic.
It really cleans up the view. Grab that leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, which is standard on the XSE, and you feel ready for a long road trip. The SE gets a tilt and telescopic wheel, but the shift knob is PVC, whereas the XSE gets a leather-wrapped one.
Little details. Now, climate control is another split. The SE features a simple, effective single-zone automatic climate control. The XSE, however, gives you dual-zone automatic climate control, so the driver and passenger can set their own perfect temperatures.
And whether you're in the front or the back, you'll appreciate the 4 USB-C charging ports, 2 up front and 2 for the rear passengers. It's a mobile device paradise back there.
Okay, let's pop the hood and talk about the heart of this machine. This is where the Corolla Cross Hybrid truly shines.
Absolutely. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine made it to Toyota's hybrid system. Combined, this powertrain produces a very respectable 196 horsepower.
And that power is sent to all four wheels through a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, which is perfectly tuned for the hybrid system to deliver power smoothly and efficiently. It makes for a very relaxed driving experience.
It does. And for those who want a little more engagement, look closer at the steering wheel. You've got paddle shifters. It allows you to simulate gears and have a bit more control when you're going down a steep hill or just want to have a little fun.
Despite being a hybrid, it doesn't feel sluggish. That instant electric torque gets you off the line quickly, making city driving a breeze. And with a ground clearance of 8 inches, you can tackle some light trails or snowy roads with confidence, all while having the sure-footedness of the standard all-wheel drive.
This is the stat that is going to blow your mind. We touched on it in the intro, but let's put it in perspective. The 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid achieves an incredible 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers combined.
For our viewers in the States, that's an estimated 50 miles per gallon combined, 54 in the city and 46 on the highway. That is class-leading efficiency.
It's hybrid magic. With a fuel tank capacity of 40 liters or about 11 gallons, you are looking at a real-world driving range that will have you passing gas station after gas station.
Exactly. You get the practicality of an SUV with the fuel costs of a much smaller car. It's a game changer for commuters and families who want to save money without sacrificing space or capability.
Let's fire up the tech. Toyota has completely modernized the multimedia experience in the 2026 model. Both the SE and XSE feature a massive 10.5-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen.
It's bright, it's responsive, and it comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, so you can just get in, your phone pairs instantly, and your favorite apps are right there on the big screen without any cables.
No more messy cords. And for the audiophiles out there, the SE comes with a 6-speaker system. But if you go for the XSE, you are treated to a 9-speaker JBL premium audio system that really fills the cabin with rich, clear sound.
Music to our ears. You also get a host of connected services. Both models come with a 5-year trial of Service and Safety Connect. The SE gets a 3-year trial of Remote Connect. The XSE goes a step further, adding a 3-year trial of Drive Connect as well, which gives you features like an intelligent assistant and cloud navigation.
And keeping your devices charged is easy. The SE has its 12-volt outlets and USB-C ports, but the XSE adds a convenient wireless charging pad right at the base of the center stack. Just drop your phone in and it powers up.
Now let's talk about practicality. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is 176.7 inches long, about 71.8 inches wide, and stands 64.9 inches tall. It's the perfect size for the city.
Perfect. And while the hybrid battery pack is tucked away under the rear seat, you still get a fantastic 609 liters of cargo space behind the second row. That's over 21.5 cubic feet. And with the standard 60/40 split-folding rear seats, you can haul surprisingly large items.
And when you load it up, you can tow up to 680 kilograms, or about 1,500 pounds. Perfect for a small trailer or some jet skis.
Of course, none of that matters without peace of mind. That's where Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes in. It's standard on every single Corolla Cross Hybrid.
That's right. You get features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and automatic high beams. It's like having a co-pilot watching your back.
Plus, you have 9 airbags surrounding you, a blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, and on the XSE, you even get intuitive parking assist with auto braking to help you squeeze into those tight spots.
All of this is backed by Toyota's legendary reputation. You get a comprehensive warranty, and with proper care, this is a vehicle that will last for years and years.
Now, before we get too excited, there's one more number we need to talk about. Every new Corolla Cross comes with a destination charge.
The dreaded delivery fee. How much are we talking?
$1,450. That applies to every single Corolla Cross, regardless of trim or model. It covers delivery from the factory to the dealership, processing, and preparation.
So if I'm looking at a hybrid XSE at $33,030, my out-the-door price before taxes and fees is actually $34,480.
Exactly. You have to factor that in when you're budgeting. The destination charge is non-negotiable and applies to every new Toyota.
Good to know. So let's run the numbers again with destination included.
Base gas L with front-wheel drive, $24,635 plus $1,450 equals $26,085. L with all-wheel drive, $25,935 plus $1,450 equals $27,385.
Still very affordable. LE?
LE front-wheel drive, $26,965 plus $1,450 equals $28,415. LE all-wheel drive, $28,265 plus $1,450 equals $29,715.
Under $30,000 for a well-equipped all-wheel drive crossover is solid. XLE?
XLE front-wheel drive, $29,560 plus $1,450 equals $31,010. XLE all-wheel drive, $31,010 plus $1,450 equals $32,460.
Now the hybrids.
Hybrid S, $28,995 plus $1,450 equals $30,445. Hybrid SE, $30,315 plus $1,450 equals $31,765.
And the one we've been dreaming about.
Hybrid XSE, $33,030 plus $1,450 equals $34,480.
For a vehicle packed with standard all-wheel drive, Toyota Safety Sense, JBL audio, and that incredible 50-mile-per-gallon fuel economy, it presents unbelievable value. It really does. Whether you choose the sporty SE or the luxurious XSE, you are getting one of the smartest, most efficient compact SUVs on the market today. We want to thank you for watching Crazy Auto Premiere. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next review. And let us know in the comments below, which trim would you pick, the SE or the XSE? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay crazy.